Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Padmaja, and I know it's been a really long time since I posted a new video on YouTube, but yeah, I'm back again here to film a new video for you guys. And today's video is going to be a quick makeup tutorial. This is not exactly a tutorial, but this is how I do my makeup whenever I go out, especially these days. So this is like a 5-minute basic makeup routine that I do every time I go out. Not every single time, but every time I want to look natural yet enhance my natural features, like cover my dark circles and my pigmentation and dark spots and stuff like that. So that is what this makeup routine is all about, and you'll just need the literal basic stuff for this. No expensive makeup or like expensive products are needed. So yeah, it's quite a long introduction, and without any further ado, let's get into the video. So starting off with my skincare, I applied a moisturizer, sunscreen and a lip balm to go with it. So every time I do my makeup, I do not forget to do my skincare first, because it gives a really natural finish to the makeup, and it also looks dewy and natural and look good at the same time. So first things first, I'm going to use a concealer. You know me, I use this concealer every single time. This is my favorite concealer. This is the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. So I'm going to use it wherever I have pigmentation. For example, I'm going to use it under my dark circles and around my mouth where I have the most pigmentation, and also some dark spots wherever I have. And I also have a big pimple here. I'm going to conceal it too. So I only cover wherever I need the concealer to be there. I'm also going to apply a little under the neck. This is gonna look really messy right now, but once I blend, and the end result will be natural and doesn't look really odd. So I don't overdo my makeup, especially when I go out. I don't want to look like a cake. So yeah, I'm just gonna blend it with this makeup brush. I'm using the same makeup brush since ages. I'm gonna blend it like really into my skin. So yeah, I think I'm done with the concealer. I did not do much. I only concealed under my eyes and around my mouth. So I think it looks pretty decent. That is when I'm going to move on to my Maybelline Fit Me powder. This is in the shade 30 Medium Deep. So I'm just going to take a little powder and I'm going to tap it so that the excess falls off. And I'm going to use it under my eyes to set the concealer. I'm not going to use a lot of powder because at the end it's going to make it look cakey if I overdo it. I use my powder wherever I use my concealer to set it so that it doesn't move at all. So I need more under my eyes because that's where I apply the most of my concealer at. It might look unnatural on the camera, but trust me, as the time passes, the makeup just sinks into your skin and make it look very natural and dewy because of the skincare that you used earlier. So I have all my makeup in this. So next thing I'm gonna do is obviously my brows. Two things that I do not miss ever is eyebrow pencil and lipstick. These two are my staples and I do not miss them for anything. So I'm just gonna do this. I do not need a lot of product. I'm just gonna go over it light-handedly and I'm gonna just brush it with the brush on the other side. Yeah, this is all that I do for my brows. It just takes about half a minute and not more than that. So the next thing that I do is curl my eyelashes. So I'm using this eyelash curler and I always forget to curl my eyelashes. I'd not miss it if I remember it. I think it just makes a lot of difference. So the next thing that I'm gonna do is use my mascara. I'm gonna use this Hyper Curl Easy Wash Mascara. This is in a washable variant. I only use the washable mascara because I do not like the waterproof one. It just is really hard to remove it from the lashes. I think that is gonna take off some lashes from your eyes every time you try to wash it off. Mascara is gonna make a lot of difference for your eyes, so I do not miss that as well. And next thing that I'm gonna use is a blush, and for my blush I'm gonna use this Maybelline lipstick. Yes, I'm gonna use a lipstick for a blush. I always do it. I do not like powder blushes because I think they make my skin patchy and drier. So I always love using this lipstick. It is very creamy and it looks very natural as a blush. So I'm going to just take a little amount of it, just 2 or 3 strokes, and that's it. I'm going to do the same on the other side as well, and I think it looks really natural and it gives a really nice finish for your makeup. I'm just going to use a random brush here. I'm going to take the same makeup brush that I used earlier, and I'm just going to, do it like this. I do not necessarily use a blush every single time, but I think it makes you look really cute and cheeky at the same time. So I'm just going to use a very little amount of blush on my face. And the next thing that I'm going to use is a lipstick, obviously, and it's from Nykaa. It's in the shade Madras Kapi 05. So this is like a very nude shade to me. It is a nude for everyone, but to me it is a nude. I do not actually use many products, so this is my final product, I guess. I'm gonna just go over it. I really love the lipstick, but I do not like the consistency of this. It is very watery and often goes into my mouth, so I have to wait until I dry it. I'm just gonna do this. Yeah, this is like a very nude color to me, and I just add a pop of color on top of it. I just use some other lipstick on top of it because I think it just washes off my face with this shade especially. So next I'm going to use this My Glam Lit, a creamy matte lipstick in the shade Sangria. So this is like a very plum colored lipstick. I just use a very little bit of it just to eliminate the nude shade from my lips. If I use this alone on my lips, I think it's going to look very dark. I do not use a dark lipstick on a daily wear because I think it looks like I've done so much of makeup where I have not done that much of makeup. You know what I meant. So the lipstick is what judges what kind of makeup that you've done. So I'm going to use like a natural neutral lipstick. So I just want my lips to look like that. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I think I'm totally done with my makeup. So yeah, that is what I do with my makeup on a regular basis. It's just 5 steps, I guess. It's a concealer, powder, mascara, eyebrows, and lipstick and blush, which is obviously a lipstick again. So these 5 products are something that I use. Today I'm feeling a little bit fancy, so I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter powder. I do not use a highlighter on a regular basis. I do not bother doing that as well. So yeah, I'm going to take a little bit with this brush. This is like a huge brush. Oh my god, it's so blinding. I think I've picked up a lot of product, but yeah, I just do this. I do not do my highlighter every single time because I do not bother using a highlighter. I think I picked up quite a lot of product, so I'm gonna just blend it with my finger. Sometimes I also contour my cheeks using this eyeshadow palette. I use this black shade here. This is not black, this is a brown shade here, and I just pick up some product from it. And you know what I do? I just use this as a contour. So I just do like this, and it does make a lot of difference. I'm just going to use it here as well and use a little here. So this is going to make a lot of difference in shaping your face. I think the brown needs like too brown for me, so I'm going to use this rust color. I think that is what is going to do a job for me. So yeah, that is pretty much it for my makeup. I do not do this contour every single time, but like I told you, I'm feeling a little fancy today. I used a highlighter and a contour, but I do not do that on a regular basis. But yeah, this is pretty much all that I do. So this is it, guys. This is everything that I do for my basic makeup routine. Trust me, it just takes 5 minutes to do it, but it might look long because I'm explaining it to you guys, so right? And also one more thing, you do not essentially need to use concealer and a powder and all of these things exactly what I've used. You can also use a BB cream. If you have the right shade and do not have any dark circles or pigmentation or anything like that, you can just get away with using BB cream. But BB creams do not go well with me, so I'm not going to use that. I like this concealer very much, so that is what I've used. So yeah, this is it for the video, guys. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and let me know how you like it in the comment section below, and also share it with your friends or who you think it is useful for. And also please subscribe to my channel, click on the bell button to get notified every time I upload a new video. And I think I'll be consistent from now on and make much more useful videos for you guys. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you again next time. Until then, take care. Bye.